Hey guys, Blake here from Cali Raised LED, excited to show off a new product we have just released. This is our dash accessory mount for the 2010 and up Toyota 4Runner. This mount is built with a custom extruded 6061 aluminum housing that is then machined for a perfect fit and finish. It comes anodized black. One great thing about this is it does not block the clock. A lot of the competitions block the clock and you don't want your clock blocked. So this mount works really good. It has hollowed inside for cable wires to run so that they're not over the front of your dash. This product is $120 and it is a great, easy installation that allows you to mount multiple accessories. It comes with the balls to get you started, and when you're purchasing, you can add a phone mount, you can add a GoPro mount, and you can also add a tablet mount. So you can get this turnkey ready to install on your 2010 and up 4Runner. Head over to our website, caliraisedled.com, and order yours today.